Hello everyone and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Hemant and now we are going to discuss about the paper analysis of the general knowledge section of the Combined Defense Services examination. I hope that you people have gone through the paper analysis of English part and also the mathematics part. However, we will discuss in a very detailed way about the general studies section, and I want to tell you that the components of the CDS general knowledge syllabus include the physics, chemistry, biology, Indian polity, history, geography, economics, defense specific, current affairs and the static GK. Let me tell you in the beginning itself that I am not going to discuss with you in a very detailed way about what all subjects, what all chapters that you have to study in each and every particular subject that is mentioned or listed here. Always, I would just like to mention to you and remind you that how many number of questions, how many number of probable questions might pop up in the coming up CDS 2 2020 examination and how it will be very much helpful for you in your preparation. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us start with the analysis by going through each and every important paper. Okay, now how I will go through this particular thing is for each and every subject I will go through the previous year's questions. Okay, so previous years would be the first and foremost priority wherein which we can expect and we can analyze the number of questions that might come up in the coming up examination. So first we will go through the previous year's number of questions that have been asked since the last 5 years, and also I will give you a new particular pie chart or a very good analysis on the expected number of questions that will come up. Okay, so this is how we will go through this particular session. Okay, so beginning with the first and foremost subject that we are considering for this particular session is about the physics. Okay, regarding the physics session of the CDS paper, that I would like to mention to you that you can expect the maximum number of questions have come up in the CDS 1 2015. Mention, always remember that all the blue bars represent the number of questions in CDS 1 and all the orange bars represent the number of questions in CDS 2 in that particular year. Okay, so mentioning here the blue bar that is mentioning that is in the CDS 1 of 2015, around 14 questions have come up all until now, a maximum highest number of questions, and the minimum number of questions have come up in CDS 2 2017. That means only 6 questions have come in the physics session. And if we see the recent year, the most maximum and probable trend is that 8 questions are compulsorily asked as a minimum. So regarding this particular previous year's analysis, I can say that we can expect of around 9 to 10 questions in the coming up CDS examination. See, I am not going through in a very much detail about what all subjects, what all chapters that you have to study, but I would just like to mention to you that these questions would be very, very important. So from the physics side, you can expect of around 9 to 10 questions of the whole of 120 questions. So if you answer all the physics questions in a correct way, then you can score around 7.5 to 8.33 marks of the whole of the 100 marks in the physics section of the CDS paper. Going through the next important subject is about chemistry. Going through the chemistry, in the very recent years, the importance for chemistry has gone up. So the maximum number of questions from chemistry part have come up in CDS 2 2019 paper, around 18 questions, and a minimum number of questions have come up in the papers of CDS 1 of 2016 and 2017. That means only 9 questions. That means exactly half of the maximum number. So going through this particular very basic analysis and the average number of questions that we might expect in the coming up examinations by this previous year's analysis, I can say that we can expect around 12 to 14 questions in the coming up CDS paper, around all of the 120 questions. If you answer all the questions from the chemistry part correct, then you can score around 10 to 11.66 marks of the whole of 100 marks in the chemistry section. Going through the next important subject is about biology. If we see the biology, we can see the biology follows a very pretty good trend. See, if you even see that it's around 8, 9, 10, 11, only these are the number of questions. So the maximum number of questions, that is only 11 questions, have come from the biology part, that have come in the both the papers CDS 1 and 2 of 2018 and also in the CDS 2 of 2016. But the minimum number of questions have come up in CDS 2 2019 and also in the CDS 1 of 2015. So regarding this basic analysis, we can expect that in the coming up CDS paper, you can get around 10 to 11 questions in the whole of the 120 questions, and scoring all these 10 to 11 questions correct, you can score around 8.33 to 9.16 marks in the whole of 100 marks in the biology section. Now, going through the next and most important subject is about the Indian polity. Compared to the NDA examination and various other examination, polity in CDS carries a very, very major importance. So this is a very strategic subject for us to remember and consider. You can see the maximum number of questions have come up in both the papers of CDS 1 and 2 of 2016. and minimum number of questions have come in a very recent year, that means around 2019's CDS 1. Okay, so if you can see, the trend regarding Indian polity is very specific and very strategic. So going through this average number of questions, I can say that you can expect of around 18 to 20 questions in the coming up CDS 2 2020 paper, and scoring everything of these questions correct way, you can score around 15 to 16.66 marks of the whole of the 100 marks in the polity section. The next important subject that you have to consider is about the history part. When I'm talking about history, I am also talking about the ancient history, the medieval history, the modern history, and also the world history part. Okay, so when I'm speaking about history, everything will be coming into consideration. However, the world history would be considered to be the least importance when compared to the Indian history side, because our history is very important and very vast and huge. You can ask many multidisciplinary type of questions in the history section. So considering this one, we can say, and as per the analysis, in the CDS 2 of 2018 paper, the maximum number of questions have come up, that means around 23 questions, and the minimum number of questions from history part have come up in CDS 1 2020 paper, in the recent paper, in CDS 2 2016 paper, and also in the CDS 1 2015 paper. So this way we can expect that a number of questions of around 18 to 20 questions from the history part in the coming up paper. So scoring all of these in a correct way, you can score around 15 to 16.66 marks in the whole of 100 marks in the history section. So as I told you, I repeat you that 18 to 20 questions from the whole of 120 questions would be from history section. So this is a very important subject, equally important as that of Indian polity. Okay, now going through the next important subject is about the geography. Geography is a very important and a strategic subject. Going through the geography, we can say it also has a very pretty good trend, and you can see the same number of questions, that means 21 questions have come up in a very recent papers in CDS 1 2020, in CDS 2 2019. Okay, and both the papers of 2016, you can see the same number of questions have come up, and the least number of questions from the geography side, that means only 13 questions have come in CDS 1 2015 paper. So going through this recent trend and the growth of the number of questions through the geography section, we can say that you can expect of around 19 to 21 questions in the coming up CDS 2 2020 paper. That means scoring every question from the geography section in a correct way, you can score of around 15.83 to 17.5 marks in the geography side. Of the whole of 100 marks that carry the 120 questions, you can score very good amount of marks in the geography section, and also the geography section is considered to be the most easiest and a very good subject that most of the defense aspirants say. So our course, it will be very much helpful for you if you are following the geography part there also. Going through the next important subject is about economics. Economics is a very strategic subject, so it is very important also, and the number of people who are opting to study the business development and all the important subjects regarding the economics, they are also growing in the recent years. So regarding this particular one also, the number of questions have been increased in very recent years. You can see in a very clear way that the recent paper has witnessed of around 17 questions, a very highest of all the previous years of the economics part of the complete CDS pattern. So regarding the CDS pattern, the least number of questions, that means only 4 questions have come up in a very recent year, that means of around CDS 2 2018 paper, but the maximum number of questions were in a very recent, that means the most previous paper, in CDS 1 2020 paper. So this is very important for us to consider. Regarding this analysis, we can say that you can expect of around 10 to 12 questions in the coming up CDS 2 2020 paper. That means scoring everything from the economic section correct, you can score around 8.33 to 10 marks of the whole of the 100 marks in the economic section. The next important subject and the next important section from the CDS general knowledge paper is about the current affairs and the static general knowledge. When I say the current affairs, this means the dynamic general knowledge, and when I say the static general knowledge, this includes all the other static information. If you are following the daily current affairs and the daily defense updates, then I can easily say that you can score maximum number of questions from this particular section in the coming up CDS paper, because we are covering very important strategic inputs, and those are considered to be very important one, and most of the students and the defense aspirants are getting benefited through our job. So I hope that our work will always inspire you and will always help you in the coming up examination. Regarding the previous year's analysis from this particular section, maximum number of questions, that means around 27 questions have come in CDS 2 2018 paper, and the least number of questions, that means only 10 questions have come in the CDS 2 2015 paper. So from this particular previous year's question analysis, we can say that you will expect of around 18 to 20 questions in the whole of the 120 questions in the CDS GK paper. and scoring all of these questions in a correct way, you can expect 15 to 16.66 marks of the whole of the 100 marks in the static general knowledge section of the complete CDS GK paper. The next important, very important one is about the defense specific issues. When I speak about the defense specific ones, then I am mentioning about all the important defense related ranks, the important commands, the organizational structure, the defense procurements, the very recent defense specific ones, and all the important strategic and the technological developments, all the detailed analysis regarding the very specific related issues to the defense of our country. So this is very important for us to know. So the least number of questions, that means only one question has come in the CDS 2 of 2019 paper, and the maximum number of questions have come up in the CDS 2 of 2016 paper. And we can even see that the recent years are showing a lot of interest in putting very important questions from this defense specific side. So it is very important from our side also to provide very decent and very important defense specific issues. So our course will always help you. And everything that I discussed all until now, all of these questions, the number of questions, the paper pattern, and expected the pie charts, everything is very authentic, and it has been gone through a lot of important quality checks. So I hope that this will be very much important and you are paying the same attention and concentration. Going through the expected number of questions from the defense specific side, we can expect of around 8 to 10 questions in the coming up CDS 2 2020 paper. So scoring all of these questions from the defense specific side in a correct way, you can score around 6.66 to 8.33 marks of the whole of the 100 marks from the defense specific section. Now that I told you that in the end I will be discussing with you about the complete in a very detailed way about the approximate percentage coverage of the whole of the number of subjects. This is a very generic pie chart that I am showing to you. This is very important one, and most of the important ones that are covered in this particular way, and this important percentage coverage analysis has been done by going through the last 5 years average number of questions and the percentage, the number of questions that are being carried out. So regarding this one, in the coming up paper, as I always tell you that you can expect around 9% of the questions would be from the physics side, 10% would be from the chemistry side, biology 8%, history 15%, and the same percentage around 15% for the polity, economics 8%, geography 16%, defense specific only 4%, and current affairs in the static GK would be of around 15%. So these are the very important percentage coverage, the number of questions that might come up in the coming up examination. Regarding this particular percentage coverage, I can say it is very clear that you cannot say that this particular subject is very important and this is not very important. Every subject has its own importance, and the maximum coverage would be done from the history side, from polity side, and geography and current affairs and static GK. So it is very important and imperative on your side to consider yourself very fit and very good enough in the history section, polity section, and geography section, and current affairs and static GK section. These four are very important sections that carry a major amount of percentage in the whole of the question paper. And the second most important subjects include economics, chemistry, and the other important issues, and the least important would be coming around defense specific issues. Okay, and whatever questions would be coming from the defense specific one, these are really easy questions, and they don't generally these questions are not very tough, whereas the other questions would be ranging from mediocre to the tough type of questions. So this is a very important one for us to remember and consider. So that is it regarding the overall subject wise analysis of the complete CDS general knowledge paper. I hope that this particular session has been very fruitful to you, and most of the people have got benefited from this particular session. I will meet you in the next session with many more important updates and very important strategic and useful inputs. Until then, stay tuned to SSB Crack Exams. Subscribe to this channel, download our Android app from Google Play Store. Always stay safe, stay healthy, eat healthy food, and Jai Hind.